Our collaborations with government stakeholders have enabled us to ignite fruitful conversations about digital safety, continue enhancing our policies to stay relevant and responsive, and most importantly, make a real and positive difference for Filipinos.
The Securities and Exchange Commission is continuously finding ways to reach more people and spread our message of financial literacy to ensure that every Filipino has the knowledge and tools to make smart and informed investment decisions. Through our partnership with ByteDance, we will be able to spread our message to more Filipinos and provide clear and practical guidance on how they can protect their hard-earned money